Okay, guys, so welcome to the second and the most important day of this Ikigai book reading, or I call it as a chewing. Why? Because exactly we are not only reading, but we are trying to understand the logic behind it. Um, and if you ask me today, that's the most important. The quote is that one: the most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day when you find out why. So, welcome to the journey of finding why. So, that's what we are going to discuss today. And if you are ready with your part, please let me know. Okay, so this is what 23 to 42 pages review of the Ikigai. It's not only the, like a finding your career options or something like that way. All the principles goes beyond absolutely above this one. It gives you the exactly how to live happy, prosperous, joyful, healthy, long life. And that's what we are going to describe. So I hope so. Today somebody was supposed to take the stress with this one. I think it was a Preeti, correct? She is there. Who was supposed to explain
No,
about
sir.
the
Mine
stress?
was Morita therapy.
Okay, fine, not an issue. So let's come. So whoever is there available, they don't take it down. Let's
This
work
is
on that.
me. This is me.
Okay, Kandi, then just go through it.
Okay, 1 minute, sir.
We really don't have that much of time, so please ensure that
No,
one
no,
whenever
no.
your
Okay,
slide is coming, slide is coming, ensure that one you are already ready and the
yeah.
background noise is reduced as much as possible. Or
Okay.
or this itself will create a stress.
Okay. So I read up on like what is stress and what. Okay. Yeah, I'll just go into it. So stress is basically our fight or flight mode.
Mhm.
So like when we think that we are in danger, we go into this fight or flight mode, and when
Mhm.
that happens, in addition, it's not just an emotion or it's not just in our head. Our body also undergoes physiological changes. So like our
Absolutely.
heart rate increases. Um, yeah, there are so many. 1 minute. So your heart rate increases, breathing quickens, muscles tighten, and blood pressure rises. And also, like cholesterol and triglycerides are released into the bloodstream. So that is what causes this heart disease and stroke and high blood pressure and everything. And the one that I was looking up, like I think hardening of the arteries. So I was like trying to
Mhm.
understand like why hardening of the arteries. I think it's because of the triglycerides and the cholesterol being
Absolutely
released.
fine. See, there is cortisol and
So
lot of concepts are there, Kandi. So we have to just, you have too many slides today. So if you give more
okay,
than 1 minute, then you will be just lost the rhythm today. See, first thing
yeah,
is that my
I think
purpose is here to make you understand that you people are reading the book first phase exactly. Stress is such a huge concept and we can go. Only things the writer want to tell you that one. There is a big difference between the cave dwellers and the modern human. Correct? Kandi, you want to add something important?
no, just on asthma, I saw that if parents are stressed, then kids get asthma. That's all I wanted to add.
That is a genetical thing. That is the environmental factor actually. See,
Okay.
genetics have the one things, and the next one is the this part. So I'm not going into the completely, but nowadays psychology is completely changed. So there is a big difference in the modern human and the cave dwellers. That's what he was talking about. Initial days, like an adrenaline rush and the cortisol change is happening when there was a real threat. Oh, nowadays some message is coming. Oh, manager call is coming. Some family member call is coming, and every time we are stressed out. We are doing 4 5 tasks at a time, multitasking, and the life is a miserably created. And now what happened exactly? There is a constant amount of adrenaline rush in the body, and which actually destroying your brain. This is destroying your whole system exactly. And that is what is exactly the biggest problem for us. So that's what he's meaning on that part. See, that's what he's telling, that see, little stress is a very important thing. See, that is what it shows, that when you are active, the life is happening, you are alive. But too much of constant stress, which is creating the adrenaline, is a very dangerous one. See, initially they has to go for the food, and then there was a threat, but now is there. So this is what is called as a mindful versus mindful concept. So exactly, you require to be have that relaxation at the level. Nowadays we have so much of, like a chaos in our body and the mind and the soul. Exactly, we don't know why, for what we are running lot of time. We just ask the people, they're telling that, no, I want to achieve this one, I want to achieve that one. But when you ask the next question, why, there is a problem. That's why I told it's a real Ikigai program. It's not only the Ikigai, real Ikigai. So anyway, there is a lot of things. So I'm just going now. So I think so Purnima is taking sitting is the new smoking. So Purnima, your time start now. 1 minute and just give it out.
Yes, sir. So the sitting is new smoking. So it is obviously true. Being a software engineer myself, we tend to sit a lot, and then we know how people are getting affected. So I took this especially because I know my colleagues suffering, and then I am best to explain this. See, in 8 hours of works, we've been sitting, and then this will increase diseases like hypertension, obesity, and then which in turn affects the longevity. So, and one more effect which I've seen, which is very common people who has sedentary life, is this: it reduces the muscular strength, and then it reduces the respiratory fitness. So this I've seen because we sit in the AC and we also sit a lot of time. So this problem is there in all the software engineers. It's very common. And then the hypertension, and then the cardiovascular diseases, osteoporosis will come very early. So, and one more reason for osteoporosis is that when you are obese guy, so there will be a lot of weight which is put on your knees. So this triggers out osteoporosis very early, and then it
Awesome.
also increases our risk of cancer. So then the science behind is that your blood flow slows down because you're sitting all the time. So and then it doesn't allow the fatty acids to rush, right? So when you're sitting, and then the researcher says that your body ability to process the fat slows down. So because of sitting for a longer duration of time, and then it increases the risk of your type 2 diabetes.
Awesome.
And then hence, yes, death obviously. And then the solution, it is there in the slide. So we need to
that's
keep walking.
we are not going to explain the solution now. That is a part they have to do in the book, or they should have read. This is as it is, nothing to be explained more. If exactly you require a sleep, food, not to be junk food,
Yes.
play with the kids and everything. So thank you, Purnima. Thank you, Vanni, till now. So guys, this is very important things in a one word. The biggest secret of the longevity and the happiness and the joy was active lifestyle. And nowadays, definitely this sitting is creating a big problem. And in this whole book, actually, the writer is exactly trying to explain you the sleep. The hidden secret to your success is your performance and everything, or even there is something he explained in a great detail about the melatonin. So now even the lot of melatonin is available. And remember, sleep is the most important. In my whole naturopathy study, we talk about the sleep. So there is nothing which come closer to the sleep. And I want you to read the book exactly. So we are not giving everything to you. And this is what is something is that. And another factor which he was talking about is the mindset. Next thing, see, this is what is explaining you in a step-by-step manner. And today is a very great detail. Actually, we are going to talk about the logotherapy and everything. We have less time, but this one. So let me just give you that staying active is a mindset. Staying young is a mindset. And your attitude will decide your, like a aging factor. It will decide your energy. See, nowadays you can see somebody who is 70 years old, but is like so energetic and so active that you cannot imagine. And you can see somebody who is just 25, 30. You can see the boys exactly, like a 25, 30 IIT guys and everything. And then you'll see there is a shoulders are goes down and the whole like that, they're even getting the hunch at that age. So please understand, it is an attitude, it's a young and a mindset. And that is the secret of the long life. This is are the whole Hunza people. So Hunza Valley is actually situated in the border of India and Pakistan. So it's a part of Pakistan as of now. Initially it was India. So this Hunza Valley, the people has a awesome lifespan. They are the most beautiful. Their skins don't have wrinkle, and this all part. Please keep yourself muted. Yeah. Now comes to the important part. So I think so nobody is taken, but this is very important part. Your attitude decide your every factor. And here is a think positive. Now we're going to detail explanation in the 6 hours workshop. But as of now, just understand that's what we are discussing about here. And your emotional awareness. That's why there is that you can, you can choose to be live in the past or the future, but actual real life is happen only in the present. That's what every time my favorite statement is that past brings the tears, future brings the fear. Only present moment is a pleasant. That's what they're talking about exactly here. And another part about the attitude is that you cannot choose the event which is happening in your life or the external factor. Nobody knows that when this corona will come and will be change the whole life. But that is no control. But you can choose how to respond it. And that's what is a beautiful statement. That is your emotional awareness. Today's is a very important part actually. So if you really go to for today's part, I told you already it will take a long time. But this is what is a beautiful poem exactly. So I want somebody to read this poem quickly. How much time we have? Okay, we have less time now. So let's exactly. So please read this poem. This itself is give the secret of the whole of the. That's what we're talking about the longevity.
Yeah, I can go, Sam. To
Yeah,
keep
thank you.
healthy and have a long time, have a long life, eat just a little of everything with relish. Go to bed early, get up early, and then go out for a walk. We live each day with serenity and we enjoy the journey. To keep healthy and have a long life, we get on well with all our friends. Spring, summer, fall, winter. We happily enjoy all the seasons. The secret is to not to get distracted by how old the fingers are, from the fingers to the head and back once again. If you keep moving with your fingers working, 100 years will come to you.
Awesome, awesome. I'll tell you, this is like a summary of this whole book actually, and there is a lot of great meaning is there. That's what our last talks about the how to be active throughout this journey. So this is what is exactly now. We are going and entering into the field of the very important thing. Yesterday we talked about a book, A Man's Search for Meaning, Viktor Frankl book, and exactly this whole book is based on this three dimension, and it was a life changing, is a transformational, and I will recommend everybody if you have to read only one book in the life, that is the one book, and read it slowly. See, now there is a 5 steps they use in this psychology exactly, or this is different than the normal psychology counseling. See, that's what when persons comes to this therapist or the logotherapist, when the persons feel either the empty, frustrated, or anxious. Now, therapist shows him that what he's feeling is the desire to have a meaningful life. See, please understand this one. I can explain you at least 3 to 4 hours only on this slide. But now, as we decided only 15-20 minutes, so we'll not exceed that one. Then actually, therapists don't do anything. He just help the patient to discover his life purpose. That's it. And this whole Ikigai program is that one. Please understand, it is not only choosing your career or finding out your strength or like that one, but it's beyond that one to understand the purpose of your life. And the day you find out the purpose of your life, it's a rebirth. I'll tell you, my life itself is transformed 360 degree. And after that one, once he understands the purpose, now it is his free will. Now patient decides to accept or reject that destiny. And whatever he's found the passion for the lives, help him to overcome the obstacles and sorrows. We'll be learning about this one in the future. He is Mr. Viktor Frankl. He himself is went to such a like a deep pain, but just because he want to share this logotherapy to the world, which he actually discovered, and his book should be published before the Second World War, but Hitler put him into the camps. And actually, like the life means like you read the book, you will feel, like you will feel, oh, what a blessed life we have. And that is a beautiful statement. See, please write in your notebook and just feel this statement from the bottom of your heart. If you are permission, I will just extend 5 to 7 minutes because we cannot really cover this today. And I know it from the starting point. It is very difficult to cover the whole part of today because it's so deep compared to other part. But he talks about this statement. And if you understand this statement itself, nobody can become a depressed or anxious or, lose his mind. Everything can be taken from a man. And that's what has happened to him. His profession, his clinic, his wife, everything is taken from him. But one thing, the last of the human freedoms, to choose one's attitude, any given set of circumstances, to choose one's own way. Very simple thing is there, that any type of odd circumstances are there. I just call this world as a hope. Nobody can steal your hope. Everything can be destroyed, but the hope cannot be destroyed from the human being. And that's what is told. And see, this is the difference between the psychoanalysis and logotherapy. Logotherapy is a beautiful part. I really practice it. I really learn it. Not that much implemented because I was not most in the therapist part, but more into the coaching part. So definitely not. But that's what is the beautiful part. So please read the difference between them. Then exactly, these are the key ideas. he who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow. Such a beautiful statement. I'll tell you, you will, if you understand this statement in a very prospective, positive way, there'll be a tears in your eyes. So this is what they're telling, that one, the meaning of the life. That's it. Persons do everything to get the meaning. Even terrorists actually do the terrorist activity just to get the meaning of his life, but in a wrong way. That's it. And this is the through logotherapy, like a key ideas. We don't create the meanings of our life, we discover it. And see, this is the journey of that one. So in this process, I don't want you to be force yourself to just find out your purpose of the life. No, it will discover to you. When you ask this question to you, you'll understand, oh, this is me, this is my purpose. Then everybody has a unique reason for being, which can be adjusted for transform many times over the years. So there is nothing called as a final destination, or you understand the purpose maybe can be get bigger and bigger and bigger. So remember that one. So please read. I want you to read exactly and see something which was I read last time, but I was not experimented. But today I went at least 2 to 3 hours of this whole deep study. And actually, I really touch with this something called as a Morito therapy. And I took a decision that when I start my naturopathy open hospital, I'm going to use this one for some special cases. I feel that when everybody should do it, not you have to wait for the anxiety or the depression. How many of you read this one? Please type in the chat box. If you read it, please type in the chat box. Wow, Munshi sir is 69. How many of you read this about the Morito therapy now? See, I cannot explain you the whole book. That today's 23 pages require actually, like a 23 hours to really implement and understand. So guys, I'm not going into the depth. It's a beautiful statement. Accept the feeling, do what you should be doing, and then discover your life purpose. And this is a 4 phrases he used to use for all the patient with the anxiety or the depression. And these people has to get completely recovered. Isolation and the rest. It is nothing but the Vipassana meditation. He was a Buddhist monk and doctor also. And he developed this one. His name was Dr. Morita. And I'll tell you, this is a beautiful part. The more you go deeply, see, the reading book is of no use. You have to understand. Anyway, I'm helping you to go into that journey. And we'll be really do that work in the next 6 hours of implementation. And then something called as a light occupational therapy. That is the second step, actually, isolation and that. So here is exactly that, they will be do some task. And then come the occupational therapy, where it is allowed to talk with the outsider and they get returned, but they just concentrate on the one task. And at the end, they go and return to the social life. But there is a mindfulness. It's a beautiful part. I'll tell you, please read and just observe it exactly. I cannot really explain everything in 15-20 minutes, but this is what is there. And there is a meditation actually that she used to perform. So this is a Japanese lady, actually, she used to do all this work. And these are the 3 main questions to ask. And I'll tell you, if you ask these 3 questions to yourself, your life will be changed. This is what from where even the Jack Canfield got his formula. That is nothing but everybody knows about the event plus response equals to outcome. So here is giving the 3 themes exactly to you. What have I received from this person? What have I given back to this person? And what troubles and the difficulties have I caused this person? This is 3 questions you have to ask yourself whenever there is a conflict. And you'll get your own answer. I tried this one today with my own family. And I find out something very, very deep into this one. And now there is my favorite concept. I'm not going to go into the depth of this concept. It's called as a flow. Now, what is the flow? See, this is a beautiful part. When you forget your hunger, thirst, your, like a nature call, and you forget whole world, the 3 dimension you forget, and you are engaged in everything. So we are, absolutely merged into that one. And that is called as a flow state. Okay. So that is a flow state. We are going to explain the flow state in a great detail. So this is what is the flow chart. We'll have the great time with the flow. There is a distance between the boredom and anxiety, and that's a flow state. So we'll see about that one in the great detail. And this is a definition. Optimal experience based on the concept of the flow, the state of which people are so involved in an activity that nothing else seems to matter. The experience itself is so enjoyable that people will do it even at great cost for the sheer sake of doing it. That's what we go to some type of roller coaster rides. We go to some type of different experiences, movies or something, even it's a costly, or you go for some nature seeing, or you do want to something to do. People do that like a video game and everything. So that is something flow. We are going to explain the flow. That is a part of my Ikigai program. old program also, new program also, because this is one of my favorite book and it can change your life. So these are the 7 conditions to achieve the flow. We are going to exclaim them into this one. I hope everybody read the book, and that is my purpose. And last but not the least, these are the 10 things. Please remember again and again, stay active, don't retire. That's what that Fingers thinks what is in the poem. Take it slow. What matters? Take it slow. At the end, it's important is the journey. Don't fill your stomach. That is 80-20 rules. We just have with at least 20% empty stomach every time. Surround yourself with the good and positive people. And exercise is so important that every time you go to the next your birthday, you should be more and more fit. Smile. Can everybody please smile? Please smile every day. Reconnect with the nature, very important. And this is what exactly I took a decision to really go from the Bangalore to the Pune in a farmhouse and live my life into the nature. Then give thanks. Anyone who is part of our journal writing, they know how much thanks we are, implementing and gratitude. Live in the moment. That is the absolute part. There is nothing is there. And last but not the least, follow your ikigai. That's what is your purpose of the life. So guys, thank you very much. So thank you very much. So this is my final message to you. Your purpose in life is to find your purpose and give your whole heart and soul to it. Don't get rushed. Let's do it. So God grant me the strength to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. So guys, thank you very much and have an awesome and fantastic day. So let's meet tomorrow and we'll see